I've always wanted to work in sport. Football has always been kind of a passion of mine. I've never been much good at playing football. I was always better at watching it. So given that and the fact that I really enjoy writing, I always thought that I'd really like to write about sport. I'm Declan, I'm a media assistant at the Newcastle Jets, and in 2018 I graduated from the University of Newcastle with a Bachelor of Communication majoring in journalism. It's a degree that covers off so many parts of what it means to be in the media, what it means to be a media professional, what it means to be not only in journalism, but you get to have a look at all sides of what the media is and what communication is as a field. So a lot of people ask me exactly what my role with the Jets is, and it's all sorts of things. I mean, I could recount to you the last 5 days of work that I've done, and they'd all be different. They involve organising all the things that go on at games, organising social media feeds. I don't think that I would have been able to land the job with the Newcastle Jets if it hadn't been for the work placement that I did with the club. It involved 80 hours of work placement at the club, doing all sorts of things, some of which I never imagined would be a part of a media role. I think that especially in media, having that hands-on experience while you're doing your degree is the most important part. Studying is all important, but having that hands-on experience is what gets you over the line. The fact that the University of Newcastle is helping students to explore these opportunities outside of university, which will ultimately help them get jobs, is a fantastic thing.